friends! Today is all about the letter B. B is our special letter. B for balloon. B for bear.
And B for baking. Today we make banana muffins. Look at these beautiful bananas.
Come on, banana! Whoa, watch out!
I got it! I think. Whoa! Oh, nice hat, Uncle Eagle.
B is for bananas and belly lofts.
Look, kids, the tray is a rectangle. And the muffin holes are circles.
Fill the circles with B batter.
B is for beware. The oven is hot.
What was that? I don't know. Stay back, little chefs.
I can smell the bananas already.
Now, let's take our bee adventure outside. Outside for more bee fun! Let's find some bee treasure. Look, a blue butterfly. And a big ball. It's a sphere.
Time for bubbles.
That is a giant bubble!
It's going to pop. Watch this.
You're a bubble machine. Look, a stone like a triangle. And this box is a square.
The bee muffins are ready.
Yay, bee muffins! They look so yummy.
Everything is better with B.
Everything is better with B. B for best snack ever.
We learned so much today.
B is for bye-bye. See you soon. Look, even the clouds love B. See you in the next adventure. B is for being helpful too. Wait for me, Mr. Butterfly.
A master baker always wears a hat.
Boing, boing, boing. B stays here in our kitchen.
And don't forget, B is for bee. B is for baking magic.
B is for a beautiful bouquet. Look, a tiny beetle.
Time to eat our bee treats.
B is for best friends. Bye-bye. See you next time. Subscribe.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Subscribe.
Bye-bye! See you next time, subscribe!
Thanks for joining our bee adventure. Subscribe.